Hello, this is Dustin with Mender here for Ideal Security. Today we're going to talk about storm door handles and how to change them. 3 styles: push button, pull, and lever style. We're going to show you how to change them all. Let's get to it. You can start by removing your old handle. Now we want to double check our hole spacing. Center of the top screw, center of the bottom screw should be 1 3/4. Most of Ideal Security's handles are standard. If you didn't have to remove an old handle, you can check it on the door also. 1 3/4, center to center. If you're doing a lever style, simply line up the holes, hold the handle in the direction you want it to face, then you can put the spindle in to lock it in place. It comes with multiple spindles, so I'm sure we have one to fit your door. Note that the spindle that you choose should only come out about 1/4 inch. Pop on your inside handle and screw it down. If you're doing a push button handle, button, flat spindle, and spring. Make sure your wide section of the spring goes toward the door. Handle slides in, give it a test. Now the flat spindle should only come out 1/4 inch also. This is considerably more than that. So I'm going to measure and then cut it at the pre-notched line. Perfect. Inside handle, and run your screws. Now for the pull handle. First, I'm going to line up my holes and mark it for the tie down screw at the bottom. Little pilot hole. And install the front plate. Now decide which spindle you're going to use. Small end of the spring goes on the spindle first. Spindle goes in. Fits in like so. Back handle fits on. And your screws are only going to be about as long as the door is wide. Give it a test. Working awesome. Now you can pull your old strike off, put your new strike on. Let's test the door for proper operation. Working awesome. Now if your handle doesn't engage the strike, you may need to move it out a little bit using the provided shims. So that's it. Super easy. We just rocked those 3 installs. We got the lever style, the pull handle, and the push button. You did it all by yourself. Now you could be the envy of the neighborhood. So for Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.